Hi, chat. Whoa. Where'd my voice go? Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? Just immediately cracking off the bat. Anyway, let's see. It is the 24th of March of 2022. And Mr. Singh! Mr. Singh is resubscribed at 8 months. Choose any number between 2 and 8. Multiply by 4, then add 3. Now reverse the digits and close your eyes. Dark, isn't it? True. How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. And then we'll jump into things. Drunk Time Mode was first today. Ollie's also here. Welcome back, both of you. Chan. I'm gonna call you Chan. Chanidzi. Chan. I'm gonna call you Chan. Is third. Welcome to the stream. Exonity, welcome back. Hello. Finally able to get first. Nice. Exonity says Babby linting is so sweet. Yeah, I yesterday after stream, I just opened a bunch of files and I was like, hee lint. Lint. I'm gonna make an intentional lint error. Oh, it's so cool. I'm so happy with that feature. Drunk Time Lord is also resubbed at 13 months. Thank you for your continued support as well. Good to see you again. Torfun's here. Tofufu, welcome back. Rollers is also here. Hello. This rewrote a code generating string manipulating most monster of a module. Oh my god, I can't read today. Using purely AST and token-based manipulation. Nice. So basically, tokenized RT, but re-implemented. Ducci, welcome back. Good to see you again. Hello. Krishmali, good to see you as well. On Nightly, hello. Dino says, happy actual Thursday. Wait, is there like an imaginary Thursday? What? Bad Foxtrot, hello. Welcome. Are you hitting puberty again? God, I hope not. I mean, it would be kind of cool to grow another foot, but I don't know that's probably not in the cards. I'm a little old for that. Juice is here. Hi, Juicebox Hero. Got a staff in the chat. Look out, we have staff in the chat. How you doing? Good to see you again. Marsha's here as well. Hello, Marsha. Good to see you. Alex, welcome to the stream. Why would you want to have 3 feet? Doesn't everyone? I guess 3 hands would be way more useful, right? 3 arms. I don't know where the third one would just like stick out of your chest. Anyway, today is going to be a bit Marsha. Today is going to be a bit of a shorter stream. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta close my door. My dishwasher is being loud. Today's gonna be a bit of a shorter stream because my house cleaners are coming early today, so I gotta shut down the stream before that happens. Or I could just, well, it's gonna be loud. My trade-off is they don't clean this room, or yeah. Anyway. Lodara says, I got feedback on PR that I must not use eval for validating a string list. That is good feedback. The person who gave you that feedback is definitely correct. Hey, what's up, Coder? Have you seen the We Crashed ad? Is this like the Netflix adaptation of oh, it's so weird with the door closed. I feel like it echoes more in here. You guys probably can't hear the echo, but I certainly can. A little unsettling. Yeah, I feel like Netflix and all the streaming services are making startup crash things all over the place. You weren't even being lewd? How? What? Marsha, you can't tell me that you are not being lewd with this message. This is not my fault. Okay. N1 Proton says, what is the plan for the stream today? The plan for the stream today is there are 2 new releases of Python, so we're going to package both those. And then I'm going to try and automate moving all of my branches from master to main, which I've been putting off for a while because it just hasn't been the highest priority. And it's still not the highest priority today, but it's a short stream, so I figured I would do something that I think I can get done in that amount of time. And this still pisses me off. Just take me to the tags page. But yeah, 3.9.12 and 3.10.4. We will be packaging today. Oh, excuse me. What does this mean? What does that mean? But yeah, Python's re-releasing because it broke rel 6 or some shit. I don't know. But the whole master domain thing is stupid. I don't think it's stupid, Cowface dude. I disagree with that. I think it's important to excise dated language and language that can be connoted in ways that's not inclusive. So that's why we're going to be doing it. Okay, so nightlight's fine. It's just 3.10. And I'm just gonna assume that it builds cleanly because I would hope that they didn't put too many changes in it. Is this... Oh, what all did they do here? It's not what I want. This is also zoomed in slightly too much. History. Looks like a whole bunch of other changes made it in between 3.10.3 and 3.10.4. Tests. Dekinter. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that nothing is broken, and if I'm wrong, then it'll fail partway through stream. 3.10.4. That sex to X is a Fortnite meme. Why would I know Fortnite memes? Oh, also, GitHub has problems again today. So, yet another day. Kevin, hello. The schedule said no stream. What? What do you mean the schedule said no stream? Did I not update the calendar today? Did I put it on the wrong? No, it's right here. What are you talking about? What? On the calendar? I mean, the schedule doesn't list Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. But, and we're skipping Saturday because I'm helping my brother move. No, stop it. Twitch schedule? Yeah, the Twitch schedule only lists Monday and Friday, or Monday and Saturday. I don't update that because it changes. It doesn't stay consistent. Where's the fucking thing? Well, there's this here, but then there's also a Twitch feature. I don't know how to see the Twitch feature. Yeah, report anthonywritescode. Yeah, it's totally what I want to do. I don't know where the thing is. But yeah, I can't really update the Twitch one because it's not like it's not a calendar, it's just a schedule. So I just keep it to what the normal schedule is. Lord Ira says, where do you live? I am in Ann Arbor, Michigan, in the United States. Yeah. What the fuck? Where's the thing where it says what I'm scheduled at? This is just what I did. This is the normal schedule. What does this say? Yeah, this is the, like, schedule. But I don't fucking know. I'm not gonna fix it. Enjoy the code says I was learning about Redis, and with application the language is master slave. I found blatant and unnecessary. Follower leader makes more sense for me, for example. Yeah, exactly. And a lot of that'll. I hope a lot of that will change. Github did post an update on their downtime. They did. I saw this. The outdated version. The funny thing about this, to me, where's there? Yeah. This to me, this sentence, this phrase, this part of this sentence just gives me some serious PTSD from working at Lyft. Because Lyft ran Envoy, and not only did Lyft run Envoy, they ran the master branch of Envoy, because Envoy was developed by Lyft, and this shit happened all the fucking time. Because Envoy is a giant C++ app that has barely enough testing and hilarious complexity, and too many features for its own good, and very little quality assurance. Lyft was Envoy's testbed, rather than kind of the other way around. But this to me just screams lol panic routing, because that was the cause of like half of Lyft's incidents was Envoy panic routed again. We overloaded our connection limit. The service mesh doesn't mesh. But yeah, kind of wild. Is this gonna conflict because of the mscripted? No. Good. I'm Anthony's bastard brother. No, you're not. No, you're not, Kevin. It's a black box. Hello. But yeah. Anyway, panic route. I'm surprised they're still on MySQL and not SQL Server. There's no reason for them to migrate. Also, Microsoft runs, Linux servers. Migration of a database is not a trivial task, especially from one engine to another. And I don't think that there would be too many benefits to switching from MySQL to SQL Server, or MySQL to Postgres, or any other equivalent relational data store. Mostly because you're gonna have like things that were optimized for one engine won't work at another. But also there's just gonna be differences in behavior, and you have to do a big data migration. You have to somehow cut over at some point, it's just a lot of work for probably little to no benefit. I think there are many more people that know how to scale MySQL than know how to scale MS SQL, for instance. But yeah, I don't blame them at all for not trying to migrate. You went to UMich. I did indeed. I started as a pre-med in biochemistry. Then I switched to pre-pharmacy, and then I was like, fuck that. I'm gonna do computers. So I started my CS degree in my 3rd year and finished it in my 4th year, which I was not supposed to do, but I made friends with an instructor, and then she helped me get overrides so that I could take prerequisites and the class that required a prerequisite at the same time. And so that's how I squeezed a 4-year degree into 2 years. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Senpaz? Hello. Previous jobs, I've worked with SQL Server. I've also worked with SQL Server. SQL Server is actually pretty nice. It has a lot of features, but people are always just like, rah, Microsoft bad, SQL Server no. But it's actually kind of nice. It's a little bit annoying to administer and run, but I don't know. I enjoyed working with it. Oh, colon. Slash. What? Oh, .com. Holy shit. Fourth time's the charm. Shit. Cyberny says, do you have experience with Zish async? I have no experience with Zish whatsoever, other than fixing 2 CVEs in it. Yeah, I don't know anything about it, unfortunately. I don't even pronounce it right. Isn't it Zish? Zish? ZSH? ZSH? Zish? I don't fucking know. There's some gotchas that are annoying. Yeah. Spearing C says, have you ever had to wrestle the Apple M1 chip? Yeah, I worked on making Python work on M1 for Stripe. And my experience with M1 is it's kind of buggy. I feel like the UI was sluggish and stuttery compared to the Intel Mac, but maybe that was just the stupid virus scanner that corporate put on it. Run books. What is the number? 13? 3913? No, we did 3911 last time because I made a 911 joke. Terrible way to remember that, but fuck it. Hey, what's up, Pat? Nice. Hello. Welcome. Elton Ron, how's it going? It's so much more fun if you call it Zoosh. Zoosh. I'm gonna call it Zoosh now, just to mess with people. We're gonna write roost inside Zoosh shell. As long as you don't pronounce it with a J, it's all good. Oh yeah, I made this terrible joke the other day. I guess it was yesterday, because the creator of GIF has passed away. They say he's going to see Jod. Hey, what's up, boy on the mage? Hello. I know, it's a terrible joke on different levels. Lena BPC, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Jod will never forgive you. It's true. Is it true? Yeah. Oh, I gotta stop putting pens on my desk because then I just spin them. Spearing C, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Why does this take so long? Okay, so my plan for migrating master domain is to try it manually and see what commands I will need to run, and then try and script it. Yeah. Oh, look, it's using IPv6. Interesting. Also, this is a really short v6 address. I feel like it should be longer than that, right? Unless there's just zeros in the middle. Why did you mean not trigger for project? Because project is a alias for today, so it's a secret command. Secret commands don't get DYM'd. AWR says, I thought you were all joking. No. I mean, we're joking, but not joking. Dude actually died. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna hope that these are good and that we don't need to do anything else. That will check deadsnakes off. How many programs does it take to kill a cockroach? 2. One holds, the other installs Windows on it. What? That doesn't make any sense. That feels like a mean Windows joke. Windows is just fine. Stupid yolkbot. Okay, I think we're gonna do some repo that matters significantly less than others before we do the other ones. Like, I'm gonna not do a pre-commit repo first. I mean, Windows isn't fine for... It works for some things. I guess we can put it that way. It's not ideal for programming. You are correct. Book some flight tickets. Nice! Have fun. Oh, vacation, or are you moving? God, my dishwasher is so loud. Vishwasher. You're moving. Oh, nice. Congrats. Not even coming at it from a programming perspective? I mean, I feel like Windows is pretty fine for playing games and browsing the internet, which is really all I use it for. Good at running OBS. It's good at running virtual machines. But there's a lot of weird, quirky stuff when you start programming for it. But there's also, you know, almost 40 years of legacy to maintain, and Microsoft tries pretty hard to do that. Okay, let's actually see, let's do deadsnakes first. I think those will be the easiest ones, and I think none of these actually have master branches. Let's check them all. Oh, we were down to 3.8. Oh, why it does that? It's really annoying. And we will ignore anything archived. Okay, so this is a master branch. Let's see, GitHub API to switch default branch. Okay. So, can I do that if the branch doesn't exist, is the question. Probably not. Probably not. But we can try it. How am I gonna do this? Bisky, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. To the Silicon Valley of India, except the rent isn't insane. 400 a month? That's like 0. Holy shit. Man. The only time I had 400 a month rent was when I was subletting during a summer in college. Which was so long ago. Oh, speaking of Michigan coder, there was a thunderstorm here yesterday. I was so excited. I fucking love thunderstorms. What is t2.py? What happens if I lint t2.py? Hello? What are you doing? Oh, it's installing the pregment hooks. Yeah. That'll be fast now. Look at this shit. Look at this. My pie's like, what are you doing? Yo. Yo. God, it's so, I'm so happy with this stupid feature that we spent so much time on. And look, we can oops. We can fix the errors and then oh, now there's only 3 of them. It just makes me want to fix lint errors in files that don't need to get lint errors fixed. Counts, what are you supposed to be? Sections.counter. Sure. Hey. Does my pregment config not add? Have I just not pulled here? Oh. How's the X errors kind of just the number of lines output? It's the number of parsable errors. So it actually is running basically this. And then and then computing the matched lines based on that. So like in this one, it would have been 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 errors. Like so. Well, now it's 6 because 2 of them got auto-fixed. Citrus! Anthony Stinky. What? No, I took a shower. What? How you doing, Citrus? But yeah. It's 6 errors, I guess, because these probably got auto-fixed. Yeah, these got auto-fixed by the import sorter? Or AutoPep8? AutoPep8 probably fixed it, but it's not checked into Git, so it didn't count as files being modified. Babby's using precommit. It uses precommit by default. If you're not in a Git repo, it'll fall back to Flake8 for now, which is a little bit faster, but... Oh, also I forgot to reset the theme. Right, because we start with no theme. And it actually looks a little bit better with the default theme. That's because of the notes? Yeah, the notes get counted. Who says I'm sleeping, but this is bad. You have a 3-hour meeting? I don't think I've ever had a 3-hour meeting. What the fuck are you gonna do in a 3-hour meeting? That sounds awful. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully your meeting goes well. And if, I don't know, if you caffeinate, then caffeinate up for that, but I don't drink caffeine, so I don't know. Do I have a lot of family in Michigan? Yes. That's part of the reason I moved back. Tell me I might die. I would be so bored in a 3-hour meeting. I would be on my phone the entire time. God, and in-person meetings too? Holy shit. Aussie says 3-hour meetings happen pretty often in the tech hardware industry. What do you possibly do in a 3-hour meeting? That just sounds absurd. Okay, what do I want to do here? Let's see, migrate master to main.py. If name. Okay, I think what I need to do here is step 1, dupe the master branch to main, and then step 2 will be change default branch. And then step 3 will be remove old master branch. And then step 4 will be make a PR to update the references? Question mark? I think that's what we're gonna try and do. The project managers plan things for a project. I don't feel how you could possibly do that for 3 hours. I don't think 3-hour meetings are efficient. Better more meetings and shorter. Yeah, I agree with that, Philip. They want to review things, but blech, I don't know why they need me in there. Oh, that's even worse. You're just a fly on the wall in the meeting. That's even worse. How goes coding today? We are 30 minutes in, and I have run 4 commands and not actually written any code. This is the code that I've written today. That's it. That's going all right, I guess. We're mostly in the like process and investigation phase. But what we're trying to do today is Git has an old convention where the default branches are called master, and we are updating that name to be main, to be more modern and friendly and accepting language. Yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm not advocating for meetings, it's just a thing that happens, and I've kind of grown numb to. Ugh. Elvenrod says, I've run 3-hour meetings that were more like a workshop, but 3 hours with plenty of breaks. Yeah, you gotta have breaks at 3 hours. I I guess like we've done like presentations that end up being like 3 hours, but they're usually like 45 minutes, 15-minute break, 45 minutes, 15-minute break. 45 minutes. Wait, that doesn't add up. Pretend that adds up to 3 hours, but you get the idea. How important do you think renaming the master branch domain is? What do you mean? Relative to what? I've been meaning to do this for months, and today's gonna be a shorter stream, so I think I can get it done today. Knock on all the wood. Okay, we're gonna try and do it with this repo first. So I think. Oh, I don't remember the format of this. So you get to look at my beautiful face while I look at what this file looks like. It has token, old token format. Okay. All right, I have a little file that has my creds in it. Oh, this part always. Oh, I can already. Oh, I feel my heart rate ticking up. Oh, that's not good. Oh, this has my creds in it, and yeah, we need to make API requests, so we kind of need that. I'm back, and the first thing I hear, it's been 30 minutes and I've only run 4 commands. I mean, it's true. It's true, Tofufu. Wait till you land in a planning week to map out an entire... Oh, I've done those. I've done those many, many times. But we usually do them as like breakout groups rather than big, long chunk meeting. But... okay, load the auth. I'm wondering if we can skip step 1. I'm gonna try that first. Oh, that was weird. All repos, GitHub API. Probably just import this code. Yeah. Yeah. Push. Okay. Let's do him. That would be a really weird thing to happen, Belt Office. Oh, my dishwasher's done. Getting warm in here too. Yeah, that would be pretty wild if someone called my phone and then started singing All American Rejects lyrics. That would be, I mean, that would be kind of cool, but also kind of wild. Anthony is more productive in 30 minutes than I am in 24 hours. So you get fuck all done in 24 hours. That's pretty unfortunate. We'll see a lot of newbies get confused because Github made new repos with main as the default branch and old tutorials assume master as default branching. Yeah, I think you know, that'll get fixed. Sing back to Arabia. Yeah. Yeah. Stab my back. Beldum be doof, beldum be doof bum. Right? Yeah, that would certainly be a thing. Okay, we're gonna cheat. How many minutes can Anthony to sing? I mean, usually I just do it for free. Add the fur at walk theme. Oh my god, the fur at walk theme is so cute. I love it so much. But I don't remember any of the words. Ugh. Okay. Right. So we need to make a patch request. Let's see if we can just do this without actually needing to do anything special. Parser equals argparse.argument parser. Add the argument repo. Use it as background instant productivity. Yeah, it's like the Furret song and the We Shop theme. That's productivity music, right? Hey, what's up, John MV1? Hello. Okay, so we need to hit this endpoint. List? What? Where is this link supposed to go? It's dead. Dead link. Okay. Update repository. Patch on this. Let's see. Default branch. That's what we want. Resp equals rec api.github.com/repos /repo. Method equals patch, headers equals headers, and body equals body, or is it data? I can never remember. If you heard the Me Plaza theme, which console? I can't think of it off the top of my head, so probably not. Data is what I want. Data equals json.dumps default branch main dot encode. I think that's what we want. Hey, what's up? Oh, I already said hi to you, douchey. But hello again. How you doing? Urbank, thank you for the follow. Welcome. You've been in a meeting. I see. Oh, I had the right thing. Migrate master to main deadsnakes /docs. We got an exception. Okay. e.fp. I gotta be really careful while debugging because I do not want to show this variable or some of the things inside this variable. I think this is safe to do. The branch main was not found. Please push that ref first or create it via the get data API. Oh. Hey, what's up, Alvabona? Hello. I'm doing well. It does something like this. Do. I don't know. Don't you also want to create a symbolic graph so that other people's stuff doesn't break, or would that not help? I don't think that changes anything. I don't know what other people's stuff would reference the branch name. Because Precommit uses tags for everything. Or at least it intends you to use tags for anything, and if you don't use tags, then you're on your own. Okay, but I do need to create the new branch first, so I skipped this step. Create copy of branch GitHub API. I think GitHub just added a thing for this. Avalbona has resubbed with Prime. Thank you for the resub at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. By others people's stuff, I mean forks. I give literally zero shits about forks. Yeah, I do not care about forks at all. Fork is at your own sport. Rename a branch. Oh, can I just use this? Yeah, what happens if I just use this? Oh. That seems like what I want to do. Yeah, this API seems more like what I want. Let's try this. Post. Post to this. If it breaks, it breaks. Yeah, exactly. Branches master rename. And then what is it? New name, new name? Here's the body. New name to new name. That would be sick if this just does everything that I need to do. Also, hello Zero, welcome back. Good to see you. Is that water? Yeah. Yeah, it's water. Does it say unless is the default branch? Alright, well we're gonna try it anyway. Just because I want to see it fail. Yeah. Not found? Wait, what? Oh, I forgot to change the method from patch to post. Yeah, like, I guess I expect it to fail. Still not found. What? Why migrate? To use more inclusive language. Oh, repos. Yeah, that would do it. Good call, Elfinrod. Thank you for catching that. Brutsky, thank you for catching my post as well. Stig says, who wants a sub? Stig's about to drop a gift sub up in here. Announcing your presence. Also, good to see you again, Stigs. Did it work? But there was disclaimer. Didn't you say there was a... Oh, must have administration right permission? Yeah. This is gonna be so much easier than I thought. Oh, this is gonna be so much easier than I thought. Okay. Well then. Yeah, shit. Just gift 100 should cover it. Oh no, don't do that. Wait, Stiggs, you're not even subbed. Snipsy, hello. I want a foot-long barbecue cheese chili sub. Stiggs has gifted to Philip. Oh, you've already got your button today. We started with a free button on accident. Thank you for the gift sub, Stiggs. I appreciate that. This is gonna be too easy. Is about who had permissions, only administrator can rename default protected branches? Yeah. And Stiggs has also resubbed at 13 months. Thank you for your continued support, Stiggs. Appreciate the gift sub as well. It's quite stupid that people have a problem with master as a name on a freaking code branch. It's not that it's not that people have a problem with it, it's that it's more acceptable to use language that you know, does not have stigmas attached to it. I don't think people are getting, you know, uproared and mad about it, but it's good to make a small effort to, you know, be more inclusive. And that's what I'm doing today. I've already started doing this on some of my other repos. I just haven't holistically done it on all of them. But yeah, it's just a small step in the right direction. And it's pretty easy to do, so I'm just gonna do it. It's even more stupid that changing a default branch name is making people angry. There we go. That's a perfect retort. So the one tricky part about this, let's do all repos next just because I'm in this repo already and let's do AS to pretty. GitHub. I think all of my scripts have already been updated to support stuff, but there is one thing that I know probably doesn't work. And that is after this runs, I have this prune remote branches script, and it gets mad about this. And I think I have to do git remote. I think I probably just need to reclone. But I can probably do this. Nope. I don't know why there's ignoring dangling simref. Maybe my version of Git is not happy about this. I wish there was just like a refetch it from the remote. It's because Git's internal state is broken. All. Course? No. Prune? We're already running with prune. Jobs, you can do it in parallel? I didn't know you could do that. Cool. Update head okay. The head which corresponds to the current branch. I don't think it's that I want. Yeah, I think I just have to reclone. I mean, I don't technically have to reclone, but I can. Okay. That's annoying. That's annoying. Snoozy. You'd also see it as a change to new conventions. Yeah, exactly. Fuck says, I saw a big project who had blacklist and whitelist as variable names in a file. Yeah. That one is easier to fix, I think. It's not making me angry, but of course, which leads people to change names. It's pressure from a small group of people without any good course. I think you're saying without any good course is wrong, and I don't think it's a small group of people. Also, I don't think that we should discount the thoughts of minorities. Yeah. that's just like shouldn't have to be said, but Splays DK says this is why I hate Git. Why do you hate Git? Well, because it breaks its internal stuff easily. Zero says Git fix my stuff. Yeah, exactly. Aw, Sentry told you no. Aw, that's a bummer, Stigs. It's good that it doesn't make you angry. It's not supposed to make anyone angry. It's done to help some people. Yeah. Finger should also be banned. Yeah, the finger command was banned at Yelp because people used it and were uncomfortable about the word finger. Yeah. And admittedly, the original protocol name was named by a guy who knew exactly what he was doing. But okay, what's the simref command that I need to run here? Git remote set head origin. Does that fix it? Okay. We gotta run this in repos. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Okay, so now we need to run the write all repos command. Not like middle finger, like so the command finger uses the finger protocol to look up information about a user, and so typically it would be run like this, and this is a sexual act, so it's it was very quickly brought up that when you run finger some woman's username, it was really not super appropriate. Yeah, bonk, exactly. Get them now defaults domain as default. Yes, indeed. I had to add a line to my git config to make Git do it locally. Yeah. But also, someone had made an IRC command to match the finger protocol command, and so people were typing finger person into IRC, which did not fly. I'm not being naughty. Look, I'm not. Why? I'm not being bonked here. I'm just trying to explain why finger is not a appropriate command name. Okay. Now, how do I fit this into all repos? Is the other part. You're shifting your thought process of making things right to be careful with words and conventions, which was used many years without a second meaning. Yeah, well, that's the thing, Marsma. Language evolves over time. And human behavior evolves over time. I don't think it's acceptable to say like, yeah, beating women is okay because we did beating women 15, 20 years ago. Like, that's not an acceptable course of thought, and we should also apply that same course of thought to our language and improve it over time. I think it's considered woke to say minority. I'm not trying to be woke. Minority is like a technical term there. I think marginalized and underrepresented is better words to represent it. I agree with that. But I don't think there's anything wrong with saying the word minority. Hey, what's up, Al Gore? Welcome back. Hello. Al Gore is here. Anthony beats women. I don't beat women. No, I never said that. Okay, so I think we need to do something like this. And then... So we need output paths. We need to do symbolic ref origin head. Don't know how this works. Show default branch name. I actually default branch name. I'm pretty sure I have a Stack Overflow answer on this. Yeah, but I don't think this is the command that I want. But I did find the Stack Overflow post that I wanted, so that's good. Oh, that's gross. Is there one without sed? Git rev parse abbreviated ref. Sounds like what I want. Oh, look, there's me again. Yeah, that's not helpful. Yeah, I think I'll use the abbreviated ref one. That one seems the least bad. Git rev parse abbrev head. Abbrev ref. Why does it work there but not inside these ones? Wait, what the fuck? Ambiguous argument origin head. What? What? But if you will not say that women are beaten, it will not change that women are beaten by bad people. I'm not avoiding saying the word. Where's one? Yeah, you're setting up really easily toppleable strawmen. Use the virtualenv command in your YouTube videos, but when I install deadsnakes, I don't have virtualenv. Have I aliased it? No, I go over that in this video. You can see how I set it up there as well. what did I, oh no, what did I get clipped for? Oh no. This is terrible out of context. Oh, this is terrible out of context. Why would you do that, Snipsy? Oh, you made a CSS theme based on Citrusine's brand? That's kind of cool. Which brand? The Spring brand or the... Stall Pringle says, I feel comfortable using Python libraries like Django, but I have no idea on how to create my own web framework or ORM. You should probably not make your own web framework or ORM. Those are probably not a good idea, generally. Like, I've never made my own, well, yeah, I've never made my own web framework. I've never made my own ORM. I would just not. God damn it, chat. Oh, that's a terrible out of context. That's a terrible out of context clip. Ugh. Oh, the citrus orange theme. Nice, nice. Oh, you have a code pen for it too? Oh. Interesting. It's not rendering for me. Or only part of it is rendering for me. Maybe it doesn't work in Firefox. Yeah. Interesting. 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 I did it to maybe one day have a good best out of context Anthony Writes Code video. Yeah. Yeah. I would also never accuse you of beating a woman or a man. That's really bad and often happens more often than most think. I mean, yeah, I would never do that. That is accurate. But a lot of people do. Okay, why the fuck is this not working though? I feel like this should be working. Git-c rev parse abbrev ref. Let's see what command it's running. So I feel like, oh, I have origin head twice. Why do I have origin head twice? Oh wait, no I don't. Yeah, like I feel like if I run this command. Oh, now it doesn't work. Wait, why did this work? Oh, because that's not the actual repo. So why don't these repos have origin head? Oh, because they only fetched a branch, right? They don't have everything else. Okay, well, I can just use that instead. Yeah. Okay, we can use that instead. Git branch show current rep -q master and echo this. So this should give me all of the repos that I need to update. Let's get rid of X. Okay. Yes. Cool. So it says, I want to learn about the language deeper and I want to know how this useful stuff is made. Yeah, but I don't think making a web framework / ORM is going to be super great there, kind of for two reasons. Like, the first reason being that you're not going to be motivated to finish the project for two reasons. Oh no, now we've branched into branching. One, because the project is massive. Building a web framework or an ORM is a huge undertaking. People have spent decades building them, and they're still buggy or incomplete. So it's a huge project that you will never complete. The other part is you're not going to be receiving any personal benefit from building it, so you're not going to be motivated to continue working on it. The other thing about web frameworks and ORMs is they're not really fun to write. They're a big ball of complexity and a lot of like, nitty gritty stuff that you would have to work. And I don't think those are going to help you learn the language better. I think you're best to build a project that you want personally. Like one of the first projects that I wrote, I have a video about this, so I'll rehash it a little bit. But one of the first projects that I wrote was a timer app to remind me about doing my chores. And one of my chores was taking the dogs in and out, and I was pretty bad about remembering it. And my brother and I would switch off every week. And so I made a Windows tray app that had my dad record a soundbite. Anthony, it's time to take the dogs out. And I think it still works. But yeah, I made a little app that I learned about how to make a Windows tray app. I learned how to, not that one. I learned how to deal with sound. This one, the Visual Basic, yeah, dog timer, thin release, dogtimer.exe. Not the prettiest app, but, and I only had one icon file. I only had one icon file, so this doesn't dox me. Yeah, we're good here. I only had one icon file, so this is the app here. Show, hide, start. You can hide and show, and you can click start from there. And then in, I think it's 60 minutes from now, it's going to Anthony, it's time to take the dogs out. We'll see if it happens. I don't remember whether it still works or not. But like that's like a good example of like I had a personal project that I wanted to build. I was motivated to learn the things necessary to build it, and I ended up with a neat little thing that I could talk about. Also, I missed Daedra. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, Ormus for crazy people. Citra says I'll beat Anthony in a game. Okay, all right. What are we gaming? Oh, I see. Because beating. Okay, I understand now. Okay. Whoosh. Ozzy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You don't use an RM, you're missing out. RMs are super helpful and superior in all ways I can think of. JK, RMs are mostly terrible. Yeah, that's kind of true. Did you check out EdgeDB? I clicked on the link, but I don't think I looked at it. There's a package called Tray written in Go, which works cross-platform. Good times these days. Oh yeah, this only works on Windows. I also wrote this code in probably like 2008, 2007. Some old ass code. It's actually a topic I've done a 360 on when I was like 20. I thought ORMs were the bomb. I'm now 30 and I avoid them at all costs. It's super hard to find great abstractions. Yeah, that's the crazy thing. Like compilers have come so fucking far. But ORMs seem to always be kind of garbage. You would think like some of the knowledge we have from making optimizing compilers really good would translate to optimizing object relational mappers, but for some reason they don't. Okay, so of these, we probably don't want to update Yelp or Chris's stuff or Mel's stuff or iPie or talks. Let's see, grep-v, grep-ev, Yelp, or PyPy, or talks dev, or Mel, or Chris. Is that it? Let's also do this one just because it has, we'll do this one separately. It has GitHub pages, and so I don't want to break that. Okay, that looks good. How long did it take to create this app? I have no idea, Torfun. This was 15 plus years ago. There's no way that I know how long it took to make it. I could look at timestamps maybe on the files, but I don't think those are like it's very unlikely they're going to be accurate. Let's see. The backups. 2011. Okay, apparently. Let's see. The oldest timestamp is January 15th, 2007. PTKG, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Did I do this all in one day? Oh, no. Okay, the latest update is February 5th, 2007. So it took me about 20 days to build this app. Or maybe I tweaked it 20 days after. It looks like I had a working version the same day I started. Yeah, this build is from 3 hours after I started working on it. Oh, this executable is tiny. It's only 36 kilobytes. That's kind of weird. How does it work? Oh, it's definitely not going to work. It's going to crash. I already know why it's going to crash. I'm pretty sure it's not going to find... Oh, wait, these... Yeah, wait. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. I'm pretty sure the code... Let's look at the code. Yeah. Look at the code. I'm pretty sure the code hard codes the file paths. Oh, yeah. So we gotta make these file paths on disk. Yeah, so maybe some of the code wasn't that great. It did not stand the test of time. Actually, it hasn't crashed yet, so but yeah, I need to put these in the right place. Oops. Open a new window. The new folder data. Hopefully we can get this before the little thing goes off. See data Anthony Visual Space Basic. Great. Real great folder names there. Dog Space Timer. This was before I knew better that you shouldn't put spaces in folder names. Okay, out.wav, and there should be in.wav too somewhere. Yeah. In.wav and out.wav. Okay, I've put these in the right spot, so in theory it will make the noise when it happens. Oh, there's balloon tooltips too? Wait, I don't remember those. But yeah, there's not too much code here, but I learned a bunch of stuff while I didn't say in.mp3. Maybe I recorded it as an MP3 and then had to convert it to WAV? I don't remember. I don't remember. CJ says, earlier this week I wanted to use deadsnakes, but it was still on Ubuntu 16. Why are you using Ubuntu 16.04? Do you know any way to install new Python versions on Ubuntu 16? Yeah, you can pay me and I can send you builds. But otherwise there isn't really a way to use Python on outdated distributions. Can't update the distro? You gonna have to find a way. Hey, what's up, Keller Marku? Hello, hello. Spaces and folder names? Yeah. 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 Who still codes in Visual Basic? I mean, I haven't written Visual Basic in a very long time, but yeah. Sounds like building from source is the way. I don't even know if I can build this anymore. I don't have Visual Studio, and it hasn't been updated in 15 years. There's like zero way that the code I wrote back then still works. But are the dogs still outside since 2008? Wait, did it say dots? Was there a typo? Is that why you all are saying let the dots in? Oh, it does say dots. All code is buggy. That's pretty funny. Rip the dots, I guess. Hey, that's not Babby, it's true, it's Notepad++. Hey, what's up, Snap Bunny? Hello, hello. Still using Ubuntu 16 because it's for work and they haven't updated? Yeah, that's even more reason that your work should be paying for support on outdated versions. Citrus says, gotta go sadly because big meeting time is here. Sounds good, Citrus. Thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. And my viewers can check out the talent streamer Citrus. Okay, I think I'm gonna do these ones separately. Oh, TTS. 2 underscore, 3 underscore, 4 underscore. Holy shit, TTS, chill. Thank you for the bits, Black Box. Squidgy, welcome, welcome. Believe me, I know work should be paying / updated. There's been plans to update for a while, but they're moving slow because I think they're going to go straight to 2204. Oh, that's not going to go so well. It's not going to go so well. Looks like you have an outdated version. It's true, it's true. Who let the dots out? Exactly, Andrew. Who let the dots out? No one ever asks why let the dots out. Okay. Let's just take one of these. Okay, we're not implementing that. Apply fix. So this needs to know if it's dry run or not. We know that. How does that work? Oh, also I updated this repo, so I should fix the let's not forget about that. Git grep -l master said to main. Oh, we need xargs. Update master branch to main. Frank J, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Kyle Marker says, when I do git check out origin /main-b new branch, and I try to push, it always complains that it doesn't know where the remote branch is. There's a setting that helps with this. Yes, you should always use git push origin head. I have a video about this. Yes, check out video number 37. Git push origin head is like always the thing that you want to use. Pretty much always. Yeah, Drunk Time Light also said that. Git push can do the wrong thing sometimes. Yes. Also git push origin at. Oh yeah, at is a shorter for head. Yeah, that's true. If the local branch is out of date, then it will show you an error. I'm gonna close all these since we don't need them in theory. It's good. What are you? False positive when using arg from MyPy extensions. Yeah, there's a duplicate. You have picked the wrong repo. For long-range branches, I usually do git push dash u origin branch name. Yeah, but you can just use head instead of branch name. Then you don't have to. Then you don't have to type out the branch name. Hey, what's up, Red Sky One? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Wait, why do you say open? Okay, fixed. Work stuff doesn't have pushes disabled for protected branches. Oh. Well, that's a little messy. Github doing this thing again where it shows me the icon even though it's already fixed? Yeah, they probably are in there. No updates mode. Okay, did CI pass? It did. Double check that these look good. Cool. Recommend CI seems happy. Did it notice this branch name changed? That says main. How does it know main? Oh, because it ran here. GitHub treats this as a push. Oh, interesting. Well, that's kind of cool. So now these icons should update once it builds. T-Virus Firefly says, I hate when they close the thread. What do you mean? I closed the thread. Yeah, I know. I did it. I did that, GitHub. You don't need to tell me. Gotta wait for this to finish? I'm surprised it didn't from the other one. Oh, because the config didn't allow it to run. Right. How'd you change the branch names? Apparently, that's the wrong one. This one. Hey, Yoda Droid, at 23 months, thank you for the resub. Appreciate your continued support. What the fuck? I keep getting the wrong one. This one. So this API just does all the work for you. It fixes all the pull requests. It moves the branch in one go. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So we're trying to make another automation script which is just going to do all the code rewrites, which I think I'm just going to call repos sed. But I need to figure out how to do that. And we also need to do this. If dry run, not in os.environ. I don't think we're gonna have access to the actual dry run attribute here. Maybe we will. Let's see. Oh, we do. Well, would you look at that? Functools.partial this dry run equals autofix settings.dry run. We can pass that along. If not dry run. Blackback says, learn something new. What'd you learn? What'd you learn? Close to 2 years. Yeah, Yoda Droid's about to get that fancy, the last fancy badge. Before I have to somehow out fancy the current set of fancy badges, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Oh, the git push video. Nice, nice. Glad you learned something there. Oh, my prune script skips branches that have master in them. That's kind of funny. Okay. I have about an hour to get this done before I have to. Well, yeah, before I have to go. All repos said. Oh, I use the same trick here. Interesting. ls files command. Oh. Lace Grace. Thank you for the sub with Prime at 4 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Hello, hello to you as well. All right, from all repos imports sed. So we will call sed dot. I think only the reamd and the Azure pipelines config will need updates. Let's confirm that. All repos grep -l. Oh, also GitHub workflows. -l. Try that first. Oh. It's almost entirely these. Contributing.rst. Travis.yaml? God. The fuck is that from? PyPy. Chris still has a Travis. As does the Yelp repos. Interesting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do GitHub workflows. I think I'm gonna do these 3 things. Wonder when main will be banned. Marsma, you're mad for no reason. Main will not be banned too. I don't know why you're going on such a tirade today. Just chill, my dude. And if you're not happy with what I'm doing, just tune in tomorrow when I'm not working on this. It's gonna save everyone your frustration. Madflash says all repos, whatever contains index of the repos. Yeah. If you want to check out more about it, I've got a link to it in my bang today. But yeah, I think these are the ones I'm gonna handle. I think these come from Pigment CI. Maybe. Yeah. For the most part. Old Bearded Tech, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. README. Azure pipelines.yaml. Is this going to work? Yeah. Okay, that's what I want. As you've gotten older, have you improved on sleep schedule? Oh, sleep schedule. Yeah, that's funny. Oh, fuck. Surely you're kidding, right? Oh, god damn. Oh. Okay, so we want readme.md. We want Azure pipelines.yaml. And we want GitHub workflow star. And sed command. Other one? Sed -I. -R expression. I don't think we actually need -R here. I think this will work fine. Madflash says, "Whoa, Anthony, bots gotta answered everything." What do you mean? To be honest, at my work, the main repo is called prod. Yeah, there you go. Your work is also embracing this. Yet you still work there. Suspicious. Okay, I think this is what we want to do. I do want to double check all those other files that we saw. Some of them seemed a little bit like I should update them. What was the... We'll run this as well. Where was the command I ran? This one. Okay. Contributing.rst. What repos are those in? Oh, do these still say master in them? That'll be an easy update. Oh, I guess it's Sphinx stocks. Okay, so we can ignore that. What about you? Yeah, that'll need an update. Okay, so I can do contributing.md as well. I could really do star, but I'm not super comfortable with that. Oh, appfair. I still have appfair? appfair.yaml. Oh, yeah. Not in that one. Is it in this one? Yeah. Okay, so we'll do appfair.yaml as well. Probably means I'm gonna have to do some others. This isn't sorted. Oh, it is sorted. Oh, if you natural sort, then it ignores casing. Okay. We still have a travis.yaml there? Oh, probably for that demo repo. Maybe we'll do that demo repo separately. Yeah, let's do that demo repo separately. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. I've asked you questions previously, and you always seem to have a link to something. Yeah, that's why I make lots of videos. Does all repos need a new push module named merge to main? It should really... That's a good question. It should be called just merge to default. Yeah. Yeah, even though this says merge to master, it picks the target branch. So this should be really just renamed to merge to default. I'll probably do that separately. But good call. Good call. I think the best name for repo would be top. Why not bottom? Oh, I missed Old Bearded Tech. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Who's Travis? It's an old CI system that used to be really good and then got bought out and went to shit. It's a dead CI system. Yeah. Yeah, kinda. Okay. We're gonna do this repo separately because it is special. Never used Travis for it. It used to be really good. It used to be really nice back in the day. But yeah, then they started slowly choking out open source and you know, not doing nice things basically. Cool. And Lawrence has been really great at helping out here. Really appreciate all their help there. Going to the cinema, have fun, have fun. And thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. Is Michigan a fun state? Is any state a fun state? You can really make any state a fun state. I don't know. I don't live in a big city, but I think that's fine. Okay, this should have a whole bunch of checks here, and it looks like some of them have decided not to run. Who are we missing here? This has like every CI provider in the world hooked up. Oh, we're missing GitHub Actions? That's surprising. Oh, the wait, no, it's not surprising. Right, because this. Okay, pre-commit CI worked. This is GitHub Actions did not work. Travis CI is working. Azure Pipelines is working. AppFair is working. GitLab has not even started. Typical GitLab. And Circle is done. Okay, so it's just GitLab and GitHub. And I'm okay merging without either of those. Shit, this is taking forever. Why is it spending 50 plus seconds on the cache? What is going on? What is going on? Improvement CI bot review pull requests. It probably doesn't have permission to do that. Actually, it has permissions to react and comment, so maybe it can. But I don't know what it would do. Living in college town is pretty fun thing. Yeah, I agree. See, but Bandito, hello. Hopefully changing into the main branch doesn't break GitHub like it did with CPython. Yeah, I don't have nearly as many pull requests as CPython, so it should be fine. Probably been a while since it was run, so it requires rebuilding of the cache. Travis kills the cache every 30 days. I think I ran this last week because it gets picked up by the auto update. So. But I don't know why Travis took 2 minutes. Jesus. So fucking slow. But yeah, GitLab never picked it up, but that's fine. Alright, I'm gonna merge that one. Gills with the kills. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Wait. Oh, this isn't confusing at all. There's a bot account and then there's the bot account. But yeah. Yeah, I was not about to wait 3 minutes for GitLab to start, so we're just gonna deal. Oh, actually. I'm asking Chris if they want me to move their branches as well. Well, let's reclone and try this again. Bot of a bot? What do you mean bot of a bot? Why are non-flights between the same two cities take vastly different time? Because they will use different sized aeroplanes, which will travel differently. Also, if they're east-west or west-east, that'll often make a difference due to jet stream and such. Hey, what's up, Anton? Hello. And Naxavec, how you doing? Welcome back to both of you. Let's try this command again. Have fewer things in it. Test. Yep. That is about. reamd.rst. This is probably libsass. So I should probably skip libsass for now as well. But other than that, I think that'll cover everything. Oh, we should base.mako. That'll be precommit.com. Hey, what's up, Shaz? Hello. Kevin says, how would you go about keeping the Python process alive while the sub-process is still running? Right now I'm doing while not p.pull, but feels a bit hacky. Keep the process alive while the sub-process is still running. I mean, p-open objects, you can, I think what you've got is fine. Seems fine. I'm in a very programmy mood. Nice. Yeah, I think that's how I would do it. Just pull loop. Maybe pull sleep, so it's not busy. Alright, Chris says that he wants me to do his as well. So we're gonna do Chris's at the same time. Oh, actually, I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't. Because it needs administration, right? Okay. All right, let's do precommit.com. That one is a little bit scary because it is a actually we'll do that one last because it needs to reference precommit. Actually, let's see what we need to change for it. Actually got to write code this week. Nice. No need to sleep because inside of my loop I'm blocking while I wait for output to arrive on standard out. Okay, makes sense. You'll want to make sure that standard error is either sent to dev null or piped to standard out. Because otherwise your process may deadlock. If it fills up the standard error pipe without reading, I guess you could also just make standard error go directly to the console. That would work too. But there's a common deadlock where you read from one stream serially and don't manage the other stream, and it can deadlock pretty poorly. All right, what are we at? We're at 148. Okay, I'm hoping I can finish this in 45 minutes. Oh boy, there's a lot here. This is a reference to itself. This is a reference to precommit. So I gotta do precommit first. Yeah. Yeah, so let's do precommit first. I'll leave that alone. I should maybe change this. That's fine. Oh, I gotta change this. We already broke these. These links are maybe broken already. Let's see. Oh no, they still work. It redirected? How did this load? Because that branch doesn't exist anymore. Get a magic. Standard error is piped, but I always check it first, but perhaps that's not robust enough. Yeah, that won't work. That will deadlock. Ratty says, do you mind if I ask Docker/Python related questions? Yeah, that's what chat's for. Don't ask to ask, just ask, yeah. UDP your questions, don't TCP your questions. Can I send you my PCP questions? Oh no. Wait, PCP, that's the drug, right? I prefer to patch my questions. Can I HTTP my questions? No, because that's a subset or a superset of TCP. Dinky Dolphin, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, so we're gonna do precommit, which scares me a little bit, but but hey, shit's fun, right? Precommit. See what all these references are. A lot of these are going to be in tests, so we're not going to change the tests. We're going to leave the tests alone. Why is precommit main reference master? Because there is a mistake in the doc. And my set expression's wrong. Master to main. Update master to main. I make sure to delete my questions before they're answered. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Question is, I created a Docker container. When I try to open it with Vscode, it doesn't recognize the libraries. The virtual folder is not set. How can I tell Vscode to use my Docker container? I don't know anything about Vscode, but if I remember correctly, there's the like Vscode, it's like called spaces or something like that, where you configure it to look in a container instead of the host system. But I don't know enough about VS Code to help you. But I'm pretty sure there is a setting in VS Code. Oh shit! Yo, Typeracer might be fixing their links finally. Because whenever I paste a link from Typeracer into Twitch chat, it doesn't work. Yeah, so they might be fixing it. Typeracer is broken? Yeah, when you do this, we'll do a free Typeracer. When I copy and paste this link into chat, you'll notice the link doesn't work. So I always have to put a slash before the question mark to make the link work. You can see, yeah, this one's not linkified and this one is. Anyway, I reported it to their support. They have like Zendesk set up for this fucking website, which is just crazy to me. But yeah, so maybe they're finally going to fix that, which would be nice. Ah! Still over 100 though. I bet they make a decent chunk of change of it, ads and premium users. Yeah, probably. Anyway, there's a free Typeracer. 1.2 is kind of slow though. Well, yeah, they replied to my support message, which is kind of cool. Maybe it'll get fixed. Maybe not. We'll see. And to grab coffee because I was falling asleep. You're falling asleep to my stream. No, it's alright. People tell me that all the time. They had to add Zendesk when they added premium. I mean, I don't have Zendesk. Okay. I'm actually not going to wait for this to finish. I'm probably just going to merge this because I don't think I have time to wait for it to finish. But I want to make sure it started. Hello? Hello? Azure Pipelines. You okay, buddy? Uh-oh. PJZ, hello. Got my massive 42 words per minute on my keyboard. I'm still adjusting to it. Oh, I'm 42 is pretty quick. I think it's above average. If I remember correctly, average is 35. But you leak your phone number frequently enough on stream? Yeah. True. RIP, it did eventually load. I don't know why it took so damn long, but it seems like it's running. I'm just going to merge this. Pre-commit CI did fine. How long did it take? 17 seconds. Oh, I guess it runs a lot of hooks. That makes sense. Okay, merge. So now these will be broken. Oh, we never checked if the AST pretty ones fix themselves. They did. Cool. Okay, so presumably these will fix themselves as well. And now we can do Pregame.com. I'm a little scared about Pregame.com because it has GitHub pages attached to it. But we'll see what happens. I'm gonna have to click that button on all these fucking repos now. Ah. Oh look, these all figured themselves out too. Okay, let's do Pregame.com. Pregame.com. Is the website broken? Okay, the website still works. That is a good sign. Ah, the Moonlander. Yeah, I've tried one of those before. I don't really like it, personally. Or shitty websites that show full phone numbers because they're dumb, leak your phone number frequently on stream. Yeah, it's not my fault. Huh. I'm surprised the GitHub Actions link doesn't list the thing there. Why does this have master in it? Oh, okay. Yeah, we can do that. Ooh, identify. Should do identify first then. We're not gonna update that one. We are gonna update that one. Not gonna update that one yet either. Okay, so we have to do Azure Pipelines templates, and we need to identify. This website still working? Okay, it's still working. Good. Good, good. Hey, what's up, Piano Composer? Hello, hello. I like the remappability a lot, but it also seems to have too few keys. Interesting. Interesting. I'm playing Spot the Suitor in the Doggy Daycare livecast. Nice, nice. So like right now I'm trying to figure out how to add F keys in some reasonable way. Nice. I'm gonna fill up my water real quick. I'm not gonna bother pausing, so I'll see you in a sec. Are erasing the clock today. And yes, Piano Composer, I made my own text editor. Queued? Oh, it's queued behind pre-commit. Fuck. We're just gonna merge it. Fuck it. Don't have time for this shit today. Pre-commit pass, that's good enough, right? Oh, I already changed the other one. We need to do Azure Pipelines templates as well. I don't remember which one it is, but presumably that'll work. I think this actually needs to be master. This is, yeah. I don't think they have updated that yet. Looks like some of the commands are Vim commands, but it doesn't have Vim bindings. No. It only does that for memes. It's only so that you can quit it like Vim. You can also quit it like Nano and quit it like Emacs. Oh, that was quick. Oh, Azure Pipelines didn't even start. We're here for the lulz? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's certainly the primary motivation. Oh, we're missing a badge there. Crone, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It was the Shields one. Command Cake, hello, hello. What are we working on here? Thank you, DDoS, for running Bang today. Oh, it's Command a Cake. I see. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? We are updating default branches in repositories. Kimiko, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Lurk until I fall asleep. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'm pretty good at doing that. What are you angry at, bot? People are mad. People are mad because I'm changing master domain. Is why we're all angry today. Welcome to Stream Master Zero. Hello, hello. Master to main. I gotta merge this first. I don't actually have to merge this first. Merge this. Okay. Yeah, this shouldn't have broken the website because the website uses the GH pages branch, not the default branch. So, I think this worked. Hmm. Oh, GitHub Actions is maybe back now? No, it still says degraded. It's actually running them now. Which is neat, I guess. Okay, we will need to... oh my god. Oh. Oh shit. Well, I guess my app still works. Where did it go? This is the app that I wrote 15 years ago. Still works. Should I leave it so it tells me to let the dogs in 15 minutes? Someone better clip that. Oh. Holy shit. Leave it? Okay. It'll probably spook me in 15 minutes too, so. Oh god damn. You still have dogs? No, I don't. The apartments I've lived in have not allowed pets, so I haven't had pets for a while. But maybe when I move into a house, then I'll be able to have pets. Oh, oh man. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Pretty funny though, if I do say so myself. Oh, damn. I got rid of the... No, we still have this command though. So that's good. But we don't have the... We don't have this command anymore. Oh, I have to sneeze. That command. We need to run this, and then I think we're done with all the special cases and we can just start sending it. Which keyboard is this? I guess we can add that to the smarts. Which keyboard is this? But then we get which is this keyboard? I guess that's fine. Which does this keyboard? That's a little absurd. That's maybe a little bit absurd. We're gonna leave that one out. Could have been though. Maybe we could add another separate one. When reading from standard in, do I need to manually flush? Do you mean when you're writing output? Yes, because otherwise you will be block buffered. Which you have a video on? Block buffering? Yeah. Hey, Choco Jacks. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Welcome back. Choco Jacks, also a variety streamer / talent streamer. You meant we should train the neural network for a month with a 3090 SLI? Predict the answer. Yeah, exactly. How does keyboard? But who was phone? Okay, I think we're ready to just send this shit. Once, oh, what's happening here? My RAM is dying? Oh, is that why your computer keeps crashing? Yeah, that seems kind of important. Did you run like memtest 86 or whatever on it to verify that it was the RAM? That's the repo that's stuck? Weird. Okay. Connection timeout. Interesting. Edited, check, and apparently the pages are dead. Yeah, time to get some new RAM. Time to download more RAM. But yeah, then hopefully you can play. What were you trying to play? Elden Ring. Elden Ring. Okay. Let's see. Let's try one. Master to main autofix. Dry run repos. Let's just try this and see what it does. Of course. And we can use our brand new linting feature to tell me that things are fucked. Okay, so we don't need host path. We don't need this. Oh, it's the drop song chat. JSON is not defined. Rec is not defined. Resp is assigned to orgs is not defined. Oh. Yeah. How do we get that? How do we get the repo name? Surely I've done this before, right? What's the linting shortcut? Control T. Oh, it's not in the readmd. Yeah, I should add it to the reamd. Yes, the drop song can be go. The drop song. Nope. Nor that one. Nor this one. Do none of these run the GitHub API? Do I not have a way to do this? Oh, I know I did it on this. Where does repo come from? Get GitHub repo slug. That's what I want. Repo. GitHub pull request has no attribute. Oh, because we split it out. Let's see. Okay, well, we'll just cheese it then. Yeah, it is a little bit unfortunate that I can't scroll this over. So maybe we'll implement that at some point. I didn't want to implement scrolling though, because scrolling is kind of a pain in the ass. So this should just be line too long, and we can ignore that. Oh, no. Cool. And we can ignore this error. Oh, we can fix it. Now Lending should be happy. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's so cool. Lime is the superior green Skittle flavor. Hmm. Okay, that in theory looks right. Let's send it, see what happens. Unprocessable entity. No. Oh, you know what? Oh, right. Because we're updating the default branch, so it's gonna have the old one. um, how do we fix that? Uh, hmm. Target branche. Get ref parse abbreviated ref symbolic at you. What was the set head command that we had before? Does that fix this? Get remote set head. Oh, we can just run this command. Maybe? Okay, well that didn't work, so we gotta manually fix that one repo. Okay, this is gonna be messy. Oh, also we didn't update the auto fixer, so it was just gonna make a nonsense branch name and other things. Message update default branch to main. How am I gonna do this? Wait, are you serious? 942 is out now too? Another week of auto update? How you doing, Polymath Command? Hello, hello. They changed the default flavor and packs from lime to green apple 3 years ago. I haven't had Skittles in like 20 years, feels like. 15 or 20 years. It's been a long ass time since I've had Skittles. Ushusima, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. Oh. Oh, this is not the one I want. This is what I want. Get remote set head. So if I run that in my fixer, will it work? Let's try another repo that is Easy to do. Watch, please. Is it gonna work? God damn it. Okay. All right, we've gotten both sets of that. It's working. we can stop it now. Oh, did I miss the D? Aren't we all? No, I have the D. The D's there. Sorry, you just can't see it because it's on the other screen. Hands up, time traveler. Hello. On the left. Oh no, this is a reverse search. It had already stopped matching, so there's no reason to keep searching further. Adding the D wouldn't have made it match. Yeah, that's why I control C. Because it failed. Alright, let's try it. Watch, please. Not a valid ref. We probably have to make it fetch. Well, we gotta do this one manually too. Well, it turns out we're doing a lot of these very manually. But we'll get it working. We'll get it working. Probably. Maybe. I have 10 minutes to get it working. Ah! The pressure's on. Well, GitHub says they're back to healthy again. Press X'd out on that one. Especially because this hasn't started. Jack says you can do it. Yeah, I believe in me too. Not cocky, I swear. I think we need to sleep here. Because they said that this is eventually consistent. Have you read the article? Yeah, I read the article, CJ. It triggered my it triggered my it triggered my past experiences with why my brain with Lyft and panic routing and Envoy and sadness that we talked about it a little bit earlier on stream. I think this is not going to work because it's going to fetch it to fetch head, and I actually need to fetch all remote refs. Fetch remote refs matching a pattern. Like I need plus ref slash remote slash thing as my ref spec, I think. Some stupid API thing. Like I think I need plus remote slash ref slash head slash main. I think I need this. Yeah, but even that goes to fetch head. Alright, GitHub Actions never ran. You had your chance. Wait, frequency I didn't run either. Now it's running. Now they're both running. I don't fucking know. All right, we're gonna try this, see if this works. I don't think it will, but we will try it nonetheless. All right, another repo. We're finding other repos to test on. Let's do recipes. Surely that one, well, that one probably doesn't have any code. We need one that has code. Let's do this repo. When's the last time someone redeemed standing desk? A couple streams ago, I think. Kevin's got to run. Well, thank you for stopping by, Kevin. I'll see you around. Have a good one. Boop. Please. Oh? Maybe? The command did an error. Got further than last time. Still errored. Shit. Well, I'm gonna do another one manually and debug again. Hey, what's up? Cyclo, it's been a while. Good to see you again. You were here a long time ago. Who's this repo that we just did? Conan. Yeah, let's see. When was the last time you talked in chat? But I recognize your name. You have 7 messages. How do I remember your name? Oh, actually, it was only 2 weeks ago. Oh, it's Haklilo. Oh. Right, I can read. You originally came here in 2020, though. Wow. Haklilo, I can read. Sorry. Digging in chat history. I just wanted to see how long it's been. I think I missed the last time you were here, though. Sorry about that. Might have been a busy chat day. I try and read everything, but I'm not perfect. Okay, so my guess is it's trying to pull request the wrong branch here. So my update this thing didn't work. So let's actually simulate what's happening here on a repo and then see what commands we need to convince it that the other thing is the right repo. The other thing we could do is just monkey patch. Because this is a one-off. I'm not going to use this again. Oh, but we don't have a we don't have a patch point, do we? Push. Yeah, because we have to make this work. Or not that. We need to make... Oh, we do have a patch point. Yeah, we have to make this work. Target branch. Or else 6 get used. Pull request. Yeah. So I think we just need to change this to main. So that's a terrible hack. Do as I say, not as I do. Do not perceive. Uh-oh, I'm out of time. Well, hopefully my cleaner's late. Okay, so that should probably work. We gotta find another repo to try it on. Let's do tokenize RT. We actually don't need to do this sleep in the middle. We probably do still need to sleep. Well, let's just remove it and see what happens. Tokenize RT. Oh man, we could have been betting channel points on all this. Will it work? No. Will it work? No. Will it work? No. Okay. It maybe works now? Frequency I is done before I even look at it. That's kind of amazing. Yep, cool. Seems pretty good. Now I just need to run it on everything. And hope it doesn't completely fuck everything. Let that reclone so it gets up to date. But yeah, it works! It works! And just slightly over time. But yeah, and then I'll run this uncurse the code as well, and yeah, should be pretty good. You running? Shush, I don't care. Windows is always slower. Did I merge all the other ones? Oh, this is the first all repos one. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I guess what can go wrong, I guess? Yeah, I guess I'll just try it. See what happens. Alright, I'm gonna kick this off. It's gonna run all of them. Hope I didn't fuck things up. I mean, what's the worst that happens, right? Undo it. It's just Git. Oh boy. Hold on. Oh, the sed command errored. And we interrupted this one. Okay. There's a bit of problem there. I shouldn't have control C. I panicked. We gotta fix this one manually. And we gotta fix the code slightly to ignore said errors. Actually, we don't have to change it. We don't have to change the code. I just have to not panic. No picnic. King Gomez says, why is GitHub switching to main from master to use more acceptable language? To use more inclusive and better words. Words. Why are you still there? Okay, let's ignore this sed. Get a move like a year ago. Is Git making the change? Yeah, I think Git's changing the default as well. Just ignore this error. And if we run the linter, it'll be like, you didn't import context lib. Yes, 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 perfect. Time's not needed. Oh, I'm really happy with this. The process is also missing. Master is male? No, it's his master is his connotations related to slavery. I've been using first for my main branch name. Nice. What does your code do exactly? It hits GitHub, changes the default branch, and then makes a pull request to adjust the code references that say master to main. And there's a little hack here. Ignore the hack. Do not perceive. Do not perceive the hack. What is your go-to web framework? I've been seeing a lot of debate around Fast API and its toxic community. I didn't know they had a toxic community. I just stay away from it for other reasons. I tend to use Flask. But interesting. I didn't know that they had a toxic community. That's all the more reason to not use it. Okay, so I need to rerun this again, and then I need to rerun the big command. Is there any online community that isn't toxic? Yeah, that's a good point, Dazed. That's a good point. Rust? Rust community not toxic? That's a pretty good joke, CJ. The AWC community is the most toxic? Yeah, it's true, it's true. We're toxic as fuck. Alright, let's run it again. And not panic this time. No panics this time. Wait, panicking. Oh, okay, never mind, this is fine. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna let this run. And hopefully it works. We'll find out tomorrow, I guess. But I gotta wrap up stream because house cleaner's coming, and I gotta let them in and show them around and not be streaming because it'd be loud and you wouldn't want it. Oh, that is a problem. Well, I'll just change it in the pull request. But anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to review these pull requests carefully. But let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Oh, also announcement. I clicked the wrong link, but I clicked the link intentionally for this announcement. I have reached 10,000 subs on YouTube, which is kind of cool. I didn't think I would ever get here, but well, that's pretty cool, huh? But yeah, that's sorry, youtube.com/anthonywritescode, where you can see my three times a week educational videos, although we had a bonus one this week because reasons. Bronze play button win. Yeah, that's my actual goal, right? The True Jinx, thank you for the follow. Welcome. You came here from YouTube. Nice. But yeah, I want to get to 100K. That's my like actual goal, because I want a stupid button. But yeah, also, if you missed any of the streams, you can catch up on the stream content on my second channel where I upload VODs. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Saturday stream will be canceled because my brother is moving, so I'm going to be helping him move. But those get announced in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. I will be streaming tomorrow at the normal time, as it's been for the last couple of weeks, so stop by for that as well. But yeah, I announce my streams on Twitter. I also announce them on the Discord, so you're all free to join the Discord and come hang out with us. Discord, Twitter. There's also the Google Calendar, which I try and keep up to date, but I'm not always super good about it. But yes, it does list the stream times. You know, the plots are approximate. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.